Some mysteries don't look like mysteries at first. They look like bad luck, like one health scare after another, with no clear reason why. For years, Summer McKesson struggled with serious medical problems, recurring blood clots and breathing issues that doctors couldn't fully explain. Then, in her early 40s, she went through a major health crisis that pushed her to search for answers, not just in scans and lab work, but in genetics. So she took a DNA test. At first, it was supposed to be a tool, one more data point to help solve a medical puzzle. But the results didn't just point to a diagnosis. They opened a door into a family history she never knew existed. Names appeared, matches she couldn't place. Then more matches, and more. Half-siblings, people with striking similarities, showing up from the same region, connected by the same clinic. As she dug deeper, the story turned from medical mystery into something much harder, evidence that her biological father wasn't the man her mother believed. The DNA results pointed to a former fertility doctor connected to Duke University Hospital, Dr. Charles Peat, who, according to reporting, used his own sperm in fertility procedures without patients' knowledge. Imagine what that does to a person's sense of identity. Your health history, your family tree, your medical risks, your story, rewritten by someone else's secret. And there was another layer. After her medical crisis, she learned she had Marfan syndrome, a genetic condition. That made the DNA discovery even more urgent, because it meant her newly discovered relatives might also need screening. This is where the story stops being only about betrayal and becomes about what someone does with the truth. Instead of disappearing into shock, she spoke publicly. She connected with half-siblings. She pushed for awareness and accountability, so future families are protected, and so people born from these hidden situations can get accurate medical information. Because sometimes the most powerful form of courage isn't loud, it's quiet. It's looking at the facts, no matter how painful, and choosing to turn them into protection for others. If you've ever felt like your life didn't make sense, remember this: answers can exist, and when the truth arrives, you can let it break you, or you can let it build something better.